Yazwa kahle utho ngathi langa kahle kamnandi. Ayathonga ntasabe. Sabe lathonga. Khaba ka.
Mavindona sebaqanda iPretoria siyayidla boy sini boy.
Siyayidla kanjani?
Okay, Pretoria University of Pretoria siyaqala ngo 2-0. That's my prediction score and otherwise it's crash.
We're very disappointed to lose the game at home. Best believe this is our game, and you could see the opposition is there for a draw. Even it was a bonus. It was a Lucy dominated game for the part of 80 minutes game. So it's one of those things. If I saw some chances to go to one goal, I want to. Jobas Boni Lewenze, but only one chance back on. But what say the chances are manning as Konango were converted.
I would say 90% of the match. And Al, I said to the guys before the game, and I said it at half time, and I said it during the water break after 22 minutes in the first half. Where is the opposition going to score a goal from? They didn't penetrate. They didn't have possession. They didn't penetrate through the middle. They didn't penetrate around the flanks. And I couldn't see where the goal was going to come from. I asked that question, and the response of the players was, Coach, we can't see it. We cannot see it. And my answer to them was, there's only one area where they can score, is if we make a silly mistake through dropping off our concentration. And as sure as night turns into day, that's exactly what happened. We lose concentration. They haven't got possession of the ball. They kicked it against one of our players. It lands up with a player who was offside, but it ricocheted off one of our defenders, so it makes him onside. He turns Romeo Zondo, the left back, and he toe pokes the ball into the net. Oh, it's so sad to accept a goal like that. We are entertained. This club and our supporters are being entertained by the most fabulous type and style of football that I have, as I said earlier, I haven't seen a team like Thanda Zulu Royal do since the late Roger Sikakani was the coach. That's a massive credit to our team Utongati.